डांट खाते ही ना क्या होता है, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग एम्बैरेस्ड, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग गिल्टी, we start feeling shameful, and so we have difficulty forgiving ourselves. So if you're not able to forgive yourself, which means root cause is that you're highly critical of yourself, कि तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया, तुम्हें ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, कितनी बार बोलूँगी, कब बड़ी होगी तुम, इतनी उम्र हो गई, अभी भी तुम्हें यही करना है, how can you do that? No? So these are the words that you would have heard in the childhood, and now you're repeating them unknowingly in your mind, and so you become so strict with yourself, so critical with yourself that forgiveness is foregone. And we forget that we are humans. गलती तो जब तक आप जिंदा हो करते रहोगे, कोई ऐसा इंसान ही नहीं है जो गलती नहीं करेगा. गलती is the process of learning, right? Anything new that you will learn, you will make a mistake. Like when you were a kid, you couldn't start walking in one go. गिरे, वो गलती ही थी ना, फिर उठे, फिर उठे, फिर उठे, practice, and then you became expert in walking. So same goes with everything else. So if you want to stop, yourself from being mean to yourself, and you want to let go and forgive, be less critical of yourself in your mind. बाहर वाले तो जो बोलते हैं वो अलग है, खुद के लिए अंदर have more neutral conditioning. I will not even say positive, but neutral to encouraging conditioning. Encourage करो अपने आप को कि कोई नहीं, हो गया, अब तो हो गया. Can I undo it? No. Let me find a way to do something better. So less critical is something that will help you to forgive yourself. Easy, nothing fancy. Yeah. How do you become emotionally aware unless you're spending that me time with yourself? So let's do one chotu sa exercise right now, which will help you. And this is the easiest meditation that you can do. I know meditation is difficult, right? Time निकालना और बैठना, बोलना आसान होता है, करना difficult हो जाता है. We all want to do it, but we don't have time. So let's do one very simple meditation. You can sit comfortably as you want, and I'll keep on speaking and you will follow those instructions. You'll close your eyes and keep your ears open. सिर्फ कानों में आवाज़ जानी चाहिए और वो instructions follow होने चाहिए. I'll speak in English. Will that be okay with everyone? Perfect. So let's do this thing. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And release. Breathe in. Hold and release. Now this time, breathe in through your nose and release through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and release through your mouth. Keep the exhalation longer than the inhalation. And now we'll practice pause between the inhalation and exhalation. Take a deep breath in and hold. Exhale through your mouth and hold again. Breathe in and slowly take your attention to your body sensations. I want you to start from your feet. Focus on your feet, notice the sensations. Move on to your calves, to your thighs, to your pelvic region, to your abdomen. Notice the sensations and gradually move to chest and see the sensations. Move your attention to your arms, to your hands, to your palm. While you notice your body, keep breathing deep and slowly take your attention to your shoulders, to your neck, to your jawline, to your cheeks, your lips, your nose, your eyes, your eyebrows, your forehead, to your ears and to your head. Front of the head, center of the head, back of the head. Keep noticing the sensations and breathe. And as you breathe, take your attention to the feelings that you have right now. Notice the emotions that you have right now. And as you notice the emotions, see where are they placed in your body. Identify the emotions and see where they are placed in your body. And keep breathing deep. And as you breathe, take your attention to your thoughts and notice the thoughts as they come. Let the thoughts come and go without any judgment. And breathe. And as you breathe, quickly scan all your body sensations, thoughts and emotions. And bring your palms closer and start rubbing them. And as you rub your palms, breathe. While you breathe, keep noticing your emotions, sensations and thoughts. And now bring your palms closer to your eyes and keep them on your eyes and breathe. Gently bring your palms towards your face and open your eyes. Bring your palms towards your face and open your eyes.
डीप ब्रीदिंग का मतलब क्या है? कोई डीप, आप ब्रीद को डीपली इनहेल कर रहे हो. हम यहाँ पर डीपली इनहेल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि इमीडिएटली नॉस्ट्रल्स बंद हो जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पर जो प्रेशर है वो प्रेशर तो एंजाइटी क्रिएट कर देगा. वो प्रेशर ही तो स्ट्रेस है. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको उल्टा बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो जब तक हम इसको सही से नहीं करें, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप ना करो, आप करो ही मत. ठीक है. सो द राइट वे क्या है, इजीली आप समझ पाओगे. आप अपना एक हाथ रखो यहाँ पे, एक हाथ टमी पे. ठीक है. आप पहले मुझे ऑब्जर्व करना, जब मैं इनहेल करूँगी किस तरीके का मेरा बॉडी पे मूवमेंट्स होंगे वो आप देखना. ठीक है. जब मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी इशारा करूँगी, आप देख लेना. द राइट वे इज कि आप धीरे धीरे इनहेल करते हो, नॉस्ट्रल्स क्लोज नहीं होने चाहिए. ठीक है. हाँ, आपको कोई प्रेशर फील नहीं होना चाहिए. वेरी स्मूथ, वेरी स्मूथ. ठीक है. आप इवन काउंट पे भी करोगे ना, सो आप मान के चलो 4 काउंट आपको लेना है, मतलब 1 2 3 4 के काउंट तक आपको इनहेल करना है. देन 5 to 6 और 7 काउंट आप होल्ड करो उसको एंड देन रिलीज इट 8 काउंट, मतलब 1 2 स्लोली आप करोगे. ठीक है. विल स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 होल्ड. 1 2 3 4 रिलीज. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके. कुछ लोगों को मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया, जब रिलीज आया तो उन्होंने किया है ना, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. रिलीज कैसे करना है, इसको समझो बलून है, बार बार फुला रहे हैं और बंद कर रहे हैं. ठीक है.